In this video we are going to discuss a very simple problem in C language, that is how to calculate area of a circle by taking the radius from the user. So let us start the code. First we include the file hash include stdio.h and main function. Why we are writing int main here? Because the output of the main function is an integer, or we can omit it also, then also we'll get the same answer. I will show you. So let us first try to take declare radius and area first, the variables. Let's say I'm taking float variables r and area, and print statement printf enter the value of radius, enter the value of radius, and then by scanf will take the radius, writing %d comma address of r, and then we write a formula. Area is equal to, we know that area of circle is pi r square, and pi, the value of pi will be 3.14 multiply r, and by this we have calculated area, and we will print the value of area by writing printf. So here we have done a mistake. We have written format specifier %d, but it should be %f, because we have declared the r and area as float variables. So printf area of circle is %f comma area. By writing this, the string will be printed, and by comma area, the value of area will be printed, and in the last return 0 statement. Let us build and run this code. So we have committed a mistake here. Here the format the data type should be float. I have done a mistake in writing the spelling of the float, so my bad. So if we build and run now, first so we are getting enter the value of radius. If I enter 3 as a radius and press enter, then I'm getting area of circle as 28.26000. This is the value of area when radius is 3. If we change something, if we change %f by %d, let us see what will be the output. We are experimenting here that what will be the output. Is there any error or any change in the answer or not? So if we take radius 3, so we are getting a random value. Why? Because the format specifier which we have mentioned here is not matching with the area, because area is of float type, and we are writing %d here, which is made up for taking integer outputs. But the answer will be when we multiply 3.4 with any integer will be an float or real number. So here format specifier should always be %f. Let us see what will be the change if here we change %f by %d. So you should do this kind of experiment to get more knowledge about your program. If we take radius as 3, then we are getting area of circle as 0 0 0, which is also a random number, because when 3.4 multiply with 3 into 3 will not give the answer. So this is how you can get to know that if we change the percent if format specifier in scanf and percent and printf, then what kind of answer we can have. So this thing should be clear in your mind, that whatever data type you are specifying in the start, you should use accordingly the format specifier. So this is a very simple and basic program which includes an expression only and taking output from the user. So by this statement you can see that how we take the input, and by this statement you can say how we print the output on the screen. So this is it for now. Thank you for watching.